What kind of we like to get to bomb their party, can you like prove like a rich and get to bomb it? Remember say, never put up on my petition. Because the embassy said I can file for my own petition now. So I'm gonna put you on my petition. Just fine. And you're not gonna spend that. I've got a response for you.
Watch them now. I will kick them now. We kick some man.
Feelings though. I would never have feelings. Now, oh me, I'm grateful to be up in my day. I'm wicked in your fault. So come on to my day now, I am too much of a big man to be able to mother and they dear me don't want it, boy, then force again. Like 2 million money them. Look how much woman there in the world. And you use the green word but 2 million money them. This like they want to feel. So they're not going to get a blood clot there. I'm the serious. Any day the God that comes to me and one more week for it down. Man, them 2 million money them. Look how they go and get mash up there. That's why the government go wicked the other one of them.